Welcome to Fire Mountain Gems. Today we're going to make some really simple and wonderful Christmas earrings. Here we're going to start off with a sterling silver snowflake, some Swarovski crystal bicones, some sterling silver ball-tipped head pins, a couple jump rings, and a sterling silver ear wire. And I'm going to put these together for you so quick and easy. First of all, this snowflake comes with a really beautiful split ring, but we don't need it for this project. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to use the split ring pliers to get the split ring off. I'm going to try. There we go. Oh, come on now. And when you take this off, don't lose it because it'll be great for another project. I just don't want to use it for this one. But it's a nice sterling silver split ring. It'll come in handy some other time. So I took that off. Next thing I'm going to do is to create the little drops with the Swarovski crystal bicones and these ball-tipped head pins. And I'm sort of a factory style girl, so I'm going to put the bicone on the head pin and using my thumbnail make a nice 90-degree bend or close to it. And I'm going to do that with all three of my bicones first off. This is very easy to bend with just your fingers. Just like that. And I'll do the third one as well. And just fold that over. Now here's a nifty little tip. I want to make a loop on the end of every one of these little head pins. And I want that loop to be about that big, where my fingernail is touching my round nose pliers. So that big around. So now the distance from my fingernail to the tip of the plier, that's how long a piece of wire I'm going to need on my head pin. So I'm going to cut off about that much. Using my magnificent eyes, I'm going to cut off that much. And now you'll see when I go to make my loop at the size I wanted, I am going to have just the right amount of wire to make a perfect little simple loop. Let me see if I can get that out in the camera so you can see it a little better. I guess I can't. I guess that's good enough. There we go. And then I'm going to do 3 more the exact same way. I remember how much I cut off before, so I'm going to cut off about that much. And as long as I got those pliers in my hand, I'm going to cut off about that much. I'm going to make my simple loops. If I can grab my wire. There we go. Right on the tip of the wire. Roll it back. Change positions to put the bottom jaw in that loop. And roll it again. Just the right size. Again with the simple loop. Grip the end of the wire right on the very end, right where the diameter I want that loop to be. Roll it back. Change jaw position, lower jaw in there. Roll it back the rest of the way. Simple loops. Now that is the hardest part of the whole earring. Now we'll finish putting it together by opening up a jump ring. And I got a little tip on this one too. You see these bent chain nose pliers? Now you would think this is the natural way to hold them. That seems natural to me too. But when you're working with jump rings, I find it's better to put them upside down because then there's more surface area connecting with the jump ring and it's easier to use. I'm going to slip in, let's see, put on the 3 bicones. 1, 2. Come back. There you go. 2, 3. Put on the snowflake, making sure that the snowflake has the front side forward because on the back we have that little emblem that says that it's sterling silver. I'm not bragging, so I'm not showing off the little sterling silver emblem, little sterling silver stamp. Put that in there and close it. Set that down. Grab another jump ring. Open it up. Put it through this jump ring. And I want this to hang with the snowflake in front and all the crystals behind. So I want to put that onto my ear wire in that orientation so that when I put it together, I have this lovely little earring that's not showing off the 925 stamp and has the sterling silver snowflake in front of a bunch of little Swarovski bicones. Isn't that cute? Make as many as you like. Bazaars, gifts, great ideas. Thanks for joining me.